elimination, substitution, engineering controls, awareness, administrative controls, PPE.
NFPA 70E covers identifying arc flash hazard, which is not covered in Indian standards so far. NFPA 70E suggests methods of controlling arc flash and recommending specific PPEs after scientific study to ensure human safety. Surveys conducted by NFPA show that about 70% of fatality in electrical accidents is caused due to arc flash and not due to shock. Other thoughtfully defined NFPA recommendations can be used for defining various lockout-tagout procedures for safe maintenance practices while dealing with electrical equipment at workplace.